Hi, and welcome to our third week of the 52-week challenge. Um, so for this Blender video, we're gonna make like um, the the part where the teeter totter or the seesaw swing goes to. Where one kid is a little heavier than the other, and they push the other one up. I'm not sure what it's really called. I'll look it up later. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna make that like just a joint that connects those two things. So let's get started. All right, we're gonna create a cylinder first, and we're not again like we're not doing this to scale. We're doing this to just like just to practice. So don't take it too seriously. If you want to take into account scale, size, measurements, go for it. All right. So then press 1. We want this to be bigger, like this big. Then a C. Okay, like about this much. Then GC. Above ground right there. All right. Okay. Now, two things we can do is, let's see, edges. We're going to select Shift, select the other one, then select all that. Same thing with this right here. Shift Control, select that, and we're going to bevel. I would say like leave all the fancy details till later. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, that's stuff we can leave for later. Um, let's see. Then we need to create tab Shift A. We're going to do small spheres. Press 7 on top. Make it smaller. GX like this. Press 1. GC. We're going to make it go up here, and we're about this small. Okay, and this is kind of what bolts down the teeter totter swing or something. So like this would all go down like that, but we're just gonna have a representation of as a circle for the what do you call it, for the screw. Because like if you're looking at this is the ground below, and this is the what do you call it, the screw. So you're not going to see anything below here. So we're just adding the cap right here. All right, then GC. All right, and then we're going to translate this. So mirror, select this. There we are. Press 1. All right. That's halfway. Okay. Then press 7. Now we're going to do tab, Shift A, and we're going to do a small cube here. All right. Still press 7, S, Y, like this. I think that's big enough. Okay. Then GY, bring it here, and we're gonna do mirroring because whatever we do to one side happens to the other. Yeah, but let's actually finish it first. Okay. Then press 1, G, C, bring it up here, right about there. Like if we wanted to get it like right to the face, we can do snapping here. So 1, and we have other options like increment, face, project. See. All right. Press 1, go down, and then see tab. We don't need bevel right now. We're gonna do face. So press this face, then E like this. That's good. Okay. I'll press 1, then let's go to edge mode, press the sides here, and then we're going to do the bevel. And this, right about here, we're going to add some segments. So it's like that. All right, I know this looks a little strange, but just work with me for now. And then we're going to delete. No, we're not going to delete this. Okay. Then press Tab, Shift A. And we're going to do another cylinder. GC. RX90. All right. Press 1. This is like where the joint would go. All right. Press 3. Then GY. And that's about the right place. Actually, no. We're going to go a little higher. GC. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. Now we're going to do, what's it called? Like a subtraction. So we go to this modifier and where is it? Multi-resolution, decimate, the Boolean. All right. So object, and then this one, and we're not doing a union, we're doing an intersect. So then let's see what happens. Apply. Oh no, what happened? Oh, nothing happened. Okay. I guess we didn't do it right. Okay. Let's see. Exact. All right, apply. Delete. Maybe it's okay. Yeah, it might be the other way around. Okay. Remember, we're still all right. So we're gonna take that off for that one. This is gonna be our main. At the modifier, the Boolean, and then this is gonna be our object, and this is gonna be difference. Okay. And then do X-ray mode. Okay, so yeah, it'll cut that. I should have done that. Okay, and then apply. Go back to non-edge mode. Take this off. Ah, there we have it, our hole. Now let's add the modifier mirror here to this. And we are going to do that, and it's going to be on the y-axis. All right, sweet. There we are. Apply. Oh, don't apply it yet, because we do need to do the, what's it called? The little changes to make it look better. So, yeah, make it look a little smaller. GC. That's fine. Tab, edit mode, and then shift control, select everything. We're gonna do bevel, and we just want like something like this. This is fine. And we're gonna do that to both sides. So select this too. Shift control plus. All right. Then let's bevel like this. Okay. That's good. And then we're gonna bevel the side over here. tab edit mode, and it's this. Shift Control plus plus. Nope, doesn't work here. Shift Control plus. Okay, there it is. Doesn't get that. Nope, we're not worrying about that. Let's see if it works though. Yep, okay. But no, Control C. Yeah, that's what we want. Okay, so now let's do it for this side. Shift Control plus plus plus. Select all of that. Select this. All right, and now let's. All right, sweet. We've pretty much got everything. Then apply the modifier. Oh, get out of the edit mode before you can apply the modifier. All right, and that's pretty much our connector for the swing thing or teeter totter. I need to look this up. But anyway, hope this helps. It's pretty simple. And until next time.